Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got a happy mail from Carrie, the Yarny Elephant, and I'm going to share it with you. So, I haven't looked through the whole box, just a couple of things, so let's get started. So, the first thing I got is this lap blanket. It is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that amazeballs? So, there's one. And then she made this blanket for my son. I don't want to open it. I'm going to open it. Okay. So, she made this for my son for his new home. Isn't that fantastic? I love the colors in it. That's two. Okay. Now, there is a bunch of stuff in this box. Oh my gosh. It is like really full. So, it won't be in any order. She found me a skein of Jazzy, which this is Jazzy. I love this. This is my favorite Red Heart Ombre colorway. So she found me a skein of Jazzy. So let me set that there. And I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is from Knit Crate, and it's Uru Yarns Electric, and it's in the color Wired, and I love these. I love these so much, and I have a bunch, and I'll put these with it, and I'm gonna make a sweater, just saying. Oh yes. Let me see. There's more. Whole bunches more. Trying to get all the way out. Oh. Yep, see? There's another wire. Okay. And then, oh, trying not to drop the yarn. The yarn's piled on my desk now. Then there's these two, Uru Yarns and Cozy. And look at this. This is so pretty. It is called Noon Chai. And it is an alpaca and stellina. And oh my gosh, they are so super soft. And I have a couple to put with this. So I'm thinking scarf and hat. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. And then we have these ones, which I know I have a couple of these. And this is Aldine Wool's Sleek. And this is the colorway Bliss. Come on. And it's wool, alpaca, and silk, and there's 200 yarns. And look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? That's gorgeous. Oh! I'm so going to put the other ones together. I might have enough for a top. I hope so. And then we've got these. This is Chill. And that's upside down. This is Chill. And here's the deets. Come on. A little cabinectomy. But it is done in alpaca and cashmere. And it is so mega freaking soft. Look at this. It is so mega soft. Oh yes. This is going to be like luxury around the neck. Just saying. Oh, I can't wait for that. Oh, can't wait to make something with it. And this one is Vitellana and Tweedy Sheep, and you can already tell it's a color I really like, and it is called Apple Pickin', and it is in wool, dongle nips, and it is air weight. And look at these colors. I love the color. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'm not done. This box is so mega full. It's unbelievable. What is this? Oh my. She sent me a ton of stitch markers. There is like mega. There is stitch markers in here. Oh my. It was a bag in a bag. So, there are stitch markers right there. And there's more stitch markers. I am like super over the moon. Oh, I love these things. Look. Oh, I can't wait to stick that in my bag. Look, the little hooks things. These are fantastic for when you're knitting and you need to pick up stitches you dropped. I love those. I also use them for my crochet. Just saying. And oh, this is so super cute. Come on. Crochet is my therapy. Absolutely. I agree with that. Crochet is so my therapy. And I get more the further in here. And oh my gosh. It is all the parts that went to the diamond painting. And oh my. Y'all are going diamond painting. No, Froggy does not diamond paint. At all. I don't diamond paint. But apparently, there's a couple diamond paintings in there that were done for me. I haven't got to them. Oh, more stitch markers. If you're me, you can never have enough. Oh, look! Jazzy! More jazzy. Oh my god, my favorite. I'm gonna get to make some more. This is gonna go with my whatchamacallit blanket that I have sleeping right now. Just saying. Oh! These are the diamond paintings she had done for me. Oh my. Oh, I'm excited. These are so going on my wall. We're gonna go have them mounted. And I am like mega excited. I'm like so afraid to take them out of the bag. Oh my. I'm really afraid to take them out of the bag, isn't it? Is that terrible? That's terrible. I shouldn't be afraid to take it out of the bag. But I'm afraid to take it out of the bag. Oh my, let's see if I can. Come on. I want to show everybody the diamond painting. Because it's amazeballs. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Helps to pull it with the right way. It's like sticking to the outside. There we go. So Carrie had this done for me. And there's the colors. And the top. She had these done for me. There's one. I hope I'm holding it up right. Yes. Here's one of them she had done for me. Because I can't diamond paint. And that's freaking adorable. That is super freaking adorable. Let me roll that up. Alright, and hang on while I put the colors away. So bear with me. I want to put the beads and colors away. I don't want to lose them. Because one never knows. So I want to put these all away. So there's one. And then I have the other one right here. And this one slides out of the tube easier. Oh, there's two. Alright. This one matches the other one. And there it is. Isn't that fantastic? This one matches the girl. If you can see that. So they're all matchy-matchy. They're done and they're going in my bathroom, which I know that sounds weird, but if you saw my bathroom, you'd understand why they're going in my bathroom. And this one's going in my yarn room. Look. I love it. I love them. They are amazeballs. That is so going in my yarn room in here. Oh yes, that's going in here. Absolutely going in here. And there's more in the box. Oh, It's another jazzy. Oh, wow, that's a lot of jazzy. Oh, another jazzy. Just saying. We're jazzing it up over here. Oh, what is this? Oh, I found some candy in the bottom. I'm all about the candy. And another stitch marker. Oh, I found a whole tub of stitch markers. Yes. See, if you know the blind woman, she drops stitch markers all the time. Just saying. And then I can't find them. I have to wait for Joey to come in here once a month to pick up the stitch markers. Yes. I'm so about the stitch markers. What in the world? Oh, yay, tea. I got tea. Oh, I gotta hold one upside right. Oh, look, I got biscuit tea and toast and jam. I'm all about the teas. Oh, yay. Yummy tea. I can't wait. I've never had toast and jam. I can't wait to try it. And I love the biscuit tea. It's yumsters. This is yummy. I can't wait. Oh my God, the box gets better and better. What's on the bottom of the box? What is this? I got a crochet encyclopedia, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, the things you can think. Oh! There's patterns and stitches and oh my gosh, look, there's butterfly sock tops. Oh my. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Carrie. You are amazeballs. I'm not done with the box, guys. Sorry. Oh, what is this? I got a keychain. I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to read it. Let's see if I can hold it upside right. Oh, it says, I could give up yarn, but I'm not a quitter. I could give up yarn, but I'm so not a quitter. I'm not a quitter, just saying. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. Look. I'm going to be making a top. This is Universe XL by Hobie. And I will show you the number in case you're wanting to know what it is. It is a color number blurry. Color number 14. And here's all the details about it. Right there. There's 240 yards per ball. And it is amazing. Right there, it is a 30 weight. And look at the colors in that. That is beautiful. And there is definitely going to be a top for Froggy in this. Because, well, you know me, I'm all about the bright colors. Just saying. Oh my God, I love the colors in that. Here's what else? One more in the box. One more in the box. Oh, Laser Co. She sent me Laser Co. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's their shawl done in the watercolors. Oh, yes. If you guys remember, Carrie made one. Look at the watercolors. Look at the blues in the transition. Look at that. Carrie sent me so I could make one too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she sent me one too. And it comes with a little stitch marker right there. It says water. She sent me one to make one too, guys. Talk about soft. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, Carrie is amazeballs, guys. Carrie is super amazeballs. I don't know what to say. I have like stuff everywhere now. This is like mega amazing. Carrie, thank you so much. You know I love you to bits. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Goodness knows I don't know where I'm going to put everything. But you guys stay safe, be kind to one another, And as always, happy yarning. I love you guys. Thanks, Gary. Bye now.